Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for October 19th. Orlando Health's corporate-wide flu vaccine program kicked off this week. Flu vaccines are available free of charge to all team members, medical staff members, and volunteers at multiple locations throughout the system. The COVID-19 bivalent vaccine will also be offered at select locations at the same time as flu vaccines. All team members and medical staff members are encouraged to get vaccinated against the flu to protect themselves, their patients, and their loved ones. Check SWIFT for details. And Orlando Health Arnold Palmer Hospital for Children hosted a memorable release party for one of its oncology patients who recently recorded a full studio album.
Don't say goodbye. Now's not the time. Just hide your truths and lies.
18-year-old Jorge Rayo, who goes by Rayo, provided all instrumentation and vocals and wrote and composed each song. Jorge has been a patient at Orlando Health Arnold Palmer since 2021 and has grown close to his care team and shared a special connection with one of the hospital's musical therapists. Jorge's studio time was granted by Make-A-Wish Central in Northern Florida. The album Guinevere by Rayo is now available on all music streaming services.
So basically, they just kind of like treated me like a little rock star. You know, made me feel like I was like famous or whatever, which I thought was really nice of them. It's a piece of art that I'm really proud of that I made. And, you know, what most artists want is for their art to be seen. And if a lot of people, you know, relate to it, which I imagine a lot of people can.
And recently, Orange Center Elementary School students had a first-hand look at how fresh vegetables and herbs are grown. For these students, Plant Day is just the first step of Orlando Health's initiative to nurture an appreciation for vegetables and healthy habits. Orlando Health team members and elementary school staff guided the students through the gardening process. The experience is part of an effort to give the children a better understanding of how food is grown and fuels the body.
Today the kids are getting to plant their little outside garden, and they're rotating around to different stations and getting to experience some nutrition education, some physical activity with the Orlando City soccer team. We are teaching the kids about different colors of fruits and vegetables and how there's different nutrients in all of those. And then we are making a mystery smoothie for them to guess what's in it and get to try something new. We also have stations where they are trying fruit-infused water to encourage hydration. It helps them start to learn what a healthy lifestyle looks like and develop those habits for later on. So it, you know, really is a disease prevention effort, and it helps us connect with our community and be able to give back.
The Orlando Health ORMC Best Place to Work team pulled the team members together at the hospital, and they packed over 300 school supply pouches for the students here at Orange Center Elementary. So on behalf of Orlando Health and the team at the Community Benefit Department, we are presenting a $7,000 check to Orange Center Elementary School for the school uniform program.
And this week we're celebrating National Healthcare Quality Week, a week that every Orlando Health team member shares in. Thanks to all of those across our healthcare system who work diligently to improve care, protect patients from harm, and ensure the best possible outcomes for the individuals and communities we serve. And Orlando Health's Benefits Open Enrollment starts next week. We talked to Wendy Reynolds, Senior Director of Benefits, about what we need to know about benefits for 2023.
Our Benefits Open Enrollment period is your once-a-year opportunity to make changes for the next plan year. Any change you make during open enrollment will be effective January 1st, 2023. This is your opportunity to change your benefit plans, add or drop eligible dependents, and really just check over your information and make sure that everything on file is correct. For 2023, there are some plan design changes which will be noted in the Focus on Benefits book, as well as a slight increase to team member contributions. Some of the plan design changes include a zero copay for all telemedicine visits for the plans across Orlando Health and Bayfront Health. So if you don't plan to make any changes for 2023, there's no action that you need to take. However, your flexible spending accounts and your health savings accounts are annual enrollments, and so you do need to elect those if you choose to continue them. The benefits team is on site Monday through Friday at the Team Member Center all through open enrollment from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. There's plenty of resources on SWIFT for open enrollment as well. We will have a pre-recorded benefits presentation that team members can watch at their convenience, and we'll also hold virtual Ask Benefits sessions all throughout open enrollment. So visit Team Member Connect by November 4th in order to make your changes for the next plan year.
Well, that's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. We'll see you next week.